On question 6 it says, find the range per day in units for a patient who is 170 centimeters and 72.5 kilograms. So my first step is to start with the BSA. So we're going to take these numbers and use them in the formula with the 3600. So it's going to be the square root of 72.5 times 170 divided by 3600. And that's going to get us 1.85. So this step we always round to the hundredths. My next step is I want to look on the label for the range that has the per m squared. So that is right here. We see that it has the per m squared, so I want to match that with my m squared and put that into a proportion. And then I want to solve this and round to the nearest tenth. So this is going to be 27.8 to 64.8, and this is units. And just to label this further, this is the safe day range in units. Next, they want us to find the range per day in mLs. So it's the day range, and it's in mLs. So I currently have the day range, but that's in units. So I need to convert this from units to mLs. And I do that using the solution strength. So I need to set up a proportion here. And then solve this proportion. And rounding to the nearest tenth, this will be 3.7 to 8.6. And this is the safe day range in mLs. Part C says, would you question an order of 2.3 mLs Q4H? So Q4H means every 4 hours, which is actually 6 times a day. So that is 6 doses. So they're getting 2.3 mLs 6 times a day. So I need to multiply 2.3 by 6, which is 13.8 mLs for the entire day. And now I can compare that to the day range, which is in mLs. And this is too high. So it says, would you question this? Yes, I would question this because it's too high.